In our second episode, we showed how our AI can quickly find unique data to help you sift through peer articles. This week, we're diving into the details, looking for any numbers that can be useful for your training. Since we're talking about over-tightening, we'll be checking out torque as a key benchmark. From our last search, we found plenty of over-tightening articles. However, many lacked essential metrics like torque. To address this, we'll aggregate data from articles covering the same anatomic regions with the necessary metrics to fill the data gap. For this, we use our AI metrics dashboard to search by region, using the tibia as an example. Out of over 300 possible values, we narrowed it down to 9 torque values using cadaver or synthetic bone as the medium. On the next screen, you'll find average torque values on the left graph and text summaries on the right. We prioritize efficiency to get you to relevant content quickly and accurately. If you want to see the broader picture, reset the data to view average torque values for each region. Our AI groups regions based on the relevant torque values found in each article, while also accommodating unit differences, such as Newton meters versus millimeters. Going back to the main page, let's instead filter by material. Since we are doing a dry lab exercise, we will use the term synthetic. With more than 100 options to consider, we'll narrow our focus to the femoral region. We provide both table values and graph data. We offer these options to accommodate your preferred method of searching and to provide you with more choices. You can now select your preferred link to access more detailed information directly from the publisher's site. And now that we have our peer-accepted torque value, we can use this in our dry lab training. This series highlights the challenge and significance of navigating published data to uncover unique information like torque values using AI. We hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, keep advancing.